How you doing, guys? Memoirs of a Trader. Today I am going to teach you and show you the best trading and forex strategy in the world. The best, mark my words, the best. Hit the intro. Alright guys, so the moment you've all been waiting for, the best trading and forex strategy in the world. So here we go. There is none. There is none. Think about it. If there was a strategy in the world that worked and then people plastered it all over YouTube and the internet, wouldn't everyone just copy it and be rich? Think about it. Be realistic for a second. Really think about it. Anything of value, is it ever found on the internet? No. So why would anybody with any sense or any common sense put anything of value on the internet, let alone for free? It's just not viable, guys. There is no strategy in the world that works. How we trade, how I trade what I see. I trade using confirmations, things that are actually visible on the chart that I can distinguish. Okay, that is something of definite substance. I can use that to trade. There is no strategy that, okay, you've got to have a couple of moving averages here. Once this happens, once that happens, then, yep, then the trade comes in. It doesn't work like that, guys. Yeah, that's why only 1% in the world can successfully trade. So ask yourself, do you have what it takes to become part of that 1%? A lot of people say 5%, 10%. Nonsense. Only 1%. Because a great way to know how many people are actually physically involved in trading and actively trading, not saying that they're a trader or actively trading. And I'm not talking about corporates, yeah? I'm talking about retail traders, people who do this independently without a company, because corporate traders work for someone. We work for nobody, right? So how many people? Easy. When you log on to major fundamental news in the world, let's say for example FOMC, look at the amount of people that view it. Now we watch this religiously. Every 4 weeks we watch it religiously, as a couple of other very important press conferences. And you'll be able to see from the amount of people that are logged on to view this press conference, how many people actually actively trading. And so from my experience, the biggest ones are probably FOMC. And if we have a press conference after a cash rate of an economy, let's say for example the Australian dollar, then you'll see the amount of people logged on. And so generally you'll get about 600 to a couple of thousand. If you're lucky on FOMC, you may reach a peak of like 5,000. Now 5,000 traders is nothing compared to the amount of people that are alive in the world. 1% in the world, guys, not 10%. 1% actively trade and can do this for real. Yeah. So if there was such amazing trading strategy in the world, why don't they tell the next person? Then that person can tell the next person. Then there's a rolling effect. But have you noticed that everybody that tries to learn to trade or tries forex fails? Why do you think that is? Because it's not as easy as people think. Because there is no strategy in the world that works. Because the hardest part about everything we do is actually emotional. Now I can teach a donkey to trade. My traders have heard this again and again. I always say this, I can teach anybody to trade. That's the easy part. What I can't teach you is how to control your emotions. Your emotions are based on you, all right? We can try and train you. We can try give you tips, give you advice, but your emotions are based on you. That cannot be taught. That's the hardest part. Because yes, we have FUD, fear, uncertainty, doubt, FOMO, the fear of missing out. We have many sayings, we have many phrases that people go through emotionally during trading. But, yeah, it can't be taught. Yeah? It's you. And that's the hardest part about trading. It's your mindset. Yeah? It's the emotions and discipline that are there in the background. Now, until you can conquer that, now the question should be, how do you conquer that? Experience. Experience helps every matter. When you're new into this game, when you're new into trading, and you try all these, sun's nearly gone. When you try all these strategies, yeah, and they don't work, or How many times have you tried something on your demo account and then it goes in your favor and you think, yeah, I've got this. I know exactly what I'm doing. So I'm going to put the same amount of capital in a real account. And what happens in 24 hours or 1 week? That capital's gone because it wasn't what you thought, right? Because let me guess. You can't sleep at night. Your heart starts to beat really fast. You're looking at your phone every 5 seconds. That's emotions. That's not trading ability, that's emotions. You've got to understand the difference. So again, best trading strategy in the world, there is none. Get that nonsense out of your head. Trade what you see. Trade what you see. People will tell you, I can teach you how to trade like the experts. What do you mean experts? You mean corporate traders? They're not experts. Corporate traders are traders who are trading under rules. A lot of them are trade under a leverage of 1-to-1, 2-to-1, because that's the max they can go. Because you've got to remember, they're dealing with other people's money. We deal with our own money. That's why the emotions are heightened. They have fear of losing their job. We have fear of losing our money. Difference. Because they'll still get paid their salary. They'll still get paid their bonus. We won't. That's the difference. We don't get salary. We earn what we get. Now, anyway, I'm going to leave the video there because I'm going to have a quick little swim and it's getting quite dark. But remember, there is no trading strategy in the world that works. Trade what you see. Trade using confirmations and methods of actual charting. Take care, guys. See you later. Bye.